Twist your NVOLO shifter to the middle of the gear range. Twist both barrel adjusters clockwise for more cable slack. Remove the cable stops from the shift interface. Use a 15mm wrench to loosen the axle nuts. You can now remove the rear wheel from the frame. When reinstalling the wheel, ensure the non-turn washer is to the outside of the rear dropout and that the disc rotor slides between both brake pads. Before tightening the rear wheel, ensure that the axle is fully seated and even in the dropouts. Your axle bolts should be torqued to about 30 Nm, and you should check them after the first ride. Reinstall the shift cable stops to the shift interface, ensuring that the shift cable housing is also fully seated within the shift interface. Start with the underdrive cable and finish with the overdrive cable. Add a bit of cable tension into the shift system by dialing each barrel adjuster counterclockwise a couple of turns. Shifter by shifting through the entire gear range and ensure that both cable stops are fully seated within the shift interface.